Exploring the word canyon. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to explore the word canyon. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the meaning of this word but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Canyon is a noun that refers to a large, deep valley with steep sides, often with a river flowing through it. It's larger and deeper than a gorge or a ravine. Canyons are formed due to the erosive activity of rivers over millions of years, primarily in areas with less vegetation where soil erosion doesn't play a significant role. Example: the Grand Canyon in the United States is one of the most famous canyons in the world. While a canyon is a large, deep valley, there are other landforms that might seem similar but have their distinctions. Gorge. A narrow valley with steep rocky walls, especially one through which a river runs. It's generally smaller than a canyon. Ravine. A deep, narrow gorge with steep sides, often smaller than both canyons and gorges. So, while all three are types of valleys, their size and formation are what set them apart. To truly grasp the word, it's crucial to know how to use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. The hikers spent 3 days exploring the depths of the canyon. 2. Canyons can provide critical insights into the geological history of an area. 3. The river carved out a vast canyon over millions of years. There you have it. The word canyon beautifully describes one of nature's majestic landforms. Whether you're reading an adventure novel or planning a trip to a national park, understanding the word canyon enriches your English vocabulary and connects you to the awe-inspiring landscapes of our planet. We hope this video has shed light on this word for you. Until next time, happy learning!